Presenting the Bajaj Rex mixer grinder with 4 jars. It is equipped with a 750 watts Titan motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding functions in the kitchen. The mixer grinder comes with 4 jars, making it suitable for all types of uses in the kitchen. It features an 1800 milliliter juicer jar, 1500 milliliter liquidizing jar, 1000 milliliter dry jar, and 400 milliliter chutney jar. The body of the mixer grinder is made of ABS material. It comes with a multi-function blade for ease of use. This mixer grinder comes with 4 jars with lid, 4 blades, instruction manual and warranty card included in the box.
Presenting Sujata Dynamics Plastic Mixer Grinder. The mixer grinder comes with a set of 3 stainless steel jars that can be used for varied applications. With the most powerful 900 watts motor, this grinder makes for the perfect kitchen accessory. This grinder comes with double ball bearings for increased efficiency. It can run for 90 minutes continuously and is completely shock-proof and safe. This grinder requires low maintenance and is completely trouble-free, making it an easy-to-use device.
Speaking of first impressions, we love how they have managed to fit in so many features in a compact model. The first striking feature is the square jar. Most mixer grinder, as you would know, have round jars, but not only are these jars square, but also made of leak-proof stainless steel material with Triton lids and locking tabs. The double safety interlock systems make sure it starts only when the jar and the lid are secured in place so that you enjoy effortlessly hand-free grinding. One can also see that there is minimalistic use of plastic here. The all-metal body is good for durability.
Speaking of speed, the mixer blender grinder has a powerful 1400 watt rated motor with advanced cooling, early warning and auto cutoff features. The infinite speed control and intelligent speed sensor promise hassle-free grinding despite food load.